Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today your girl is going to be doing a quick wig review, but I'm also going to show you guys just snippets of what I did to customize this unit to my liking. And so if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so first I want to say Merry Christmas Eve. If you guys are taking time out of your busy schedules and your family time to watch this video, then I greatly appreciate it. If you guys are wondering why I'm in pajamas, if you guys can see, that's because my family and I are actually doing a pajama jam, pajama party. I don't even know if you want to call it a party, but just a get together just to spend time with family, and we're all going to be rocking our PJs in the daytime. So yeah, I have matching shirt and bottoms, and so I just decided to keep the theme going for this video. And so let me just jump right into all the deets of this unit. This unit is courtesy of ISHOW Hair. They were kind enough to send your girl this gorgeous unit right here. This is the packaging that the unit came in. So I love the color pink, so of course I'm definitely feeling the packaging of it. It did come with what did it come with? I think it came with a Santa Claus hat, or yeah, like a Santa Claus hat, and then a wig cap, and I believe that was everything that was in the packaging. You guys will see it if you guys stay tuned to the unboxing of it. So this unit is a Malaysian 360 lace front straight pre-plucked virgin human hair wig. It's in the inches, 26 inches, and it is currently retailing for $185.92. So some extra tidbits on this unit. It does say that it is 150% density, then it is in a natural dark brown blackish color. And so now for my personal thoughts about this unit, I think that this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I don't think that I've ever had a straight unit before. I'm trying to think. I reviewed so much hair, so I don't quite remember, but I feel like I haven't had straight hair. I think I always tend to go with the curly hair because it's, I don't know, I guess I feel like it's less maintenance. You know, you could just put it in a ponytail, a messy bun, you know, throw some water on it and just go on about your day. And so this was the first time that I think I was just like, no, I want a straight unit where I don't have to keep running the flat iron through it so many times, as well as a unit that is going to be bone straight, because of course there are some units where, you know, you try to straighten the curls and it's not bone straight, but this right here is bone straight. Okay, the feel of it is like, it's like silk, y'all. I can run my hands through it. I haven't had any issues as far as like tangling or anything like that. Do you guys see this hairline? Like, let's just spend a moment on this hairline. Like, do you see this? So I will say that it does say the unit is pre-plucked, and the unit is pre-plucked. However, I personally wanted to pluck the unit some more. I didn't feel like it was as natural as I wanted it to be, so I definitely went in and decided to pluck some more, and then it gave this even more natural look. So yeah, I'm not sure if I would say this unit is beginner friendly, because it is a 360 full lace wig, as well as you do need to pluck it a little bit. And so if you're still learning, then this might not be the unit for you, but I feel like it didn't need much. But then again, I've been working with hair for quite some time now. So something else that I loved about this hair is that for it to be 26 inches and 150% density, I love the density of it. So I didn't show you guys how I installed this unit on camera because I have so many different videos, so just check out a different video. But I did go ahead and use boho glue, and this time I actually used like 2 to 3 layers of the boho glue, and I feel like this is the best melting of the lace that I've done. Like, I usually do baby hairs, and this time baby hairs weren't a requirement or a preference, I guess you could say. I felt like it looked so good that I didn't need baby hairs. Towards the end I just did a little right here, just because some of the baby hairs were just kind of sticking out and I wanted to tame them. But as you can see, like, there aren't any baby hairs up top. Like, I didn't have to do baby hairs at all, y'all, and I just feel like it looks so natural, and I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, it's the end of the year, and you know, we're going out with a bang, okay? And so I'm just super excited. If you guys see my little hair accessories, I got these from Ross, one of my favorite stores. But yeah, so the hair accessory says J Adore Amore, and so I definitely feel like it applies. I wouldn't just pop these hair accessories on a unit I wasn't feeling. Like, I absolutely love this unit, and so yeah, definitely want to add that little bit in there. So yeah, I think I told you guys everything that I could about this unit. I'm absolutely loving it. I will be rocking this unit for as long as I can. I love the fact that it does come with adjustable straps, and for the first time I actually used the adjustable straps before melting the lace onto my forehead basically, and I just feel like this unit feels so secure. It makes me so happy, y'all. Like, it makes me so happy. It looks so natural, and my husband likes it, so hopefully you guys like it. Also, this is only part one of a two-part video. In the next video, I'm actually going to curl this unit, so I'm going to see how well it does as far as curling and holding a style, and maybe not even do a middle part. I'll probably do a side part. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Make sure to have a very Merry Christmas. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.